Alright, on to our next day. So today is what? A Tuesday. A Tuesday, and it again started sunny. We're just having a slow day again. We're on our way. We just woke up, but we're on our way to grab some food sa convenience store. Itinerary namin today. I think we're going to Osaka Castle and then sa Umeda. We're just really gonna again roam around. Kahapon, parang ganito din nag-umpisa. Maaraw-araw. Pero bandang hapon umulan na. So hopefully, ganun, well, predicted na ganun pa rin ng panahon. So, come on, punta mo tayo convenience store. Ito yung mga available nila. So it's a morning, medyo maraming refill. Gusto na riyan ng mainit. So yan, maraming ready to eat food. What do you want? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? Give me a side. Hi! Hi! Ohayo! You know, backstory, si Rian nung maliit, right around yung age din ni Adina, nandito kami sa Japan nun. Ganyan-ganyan din lagi siyang tinitigilan ng mga Hapon para tignan siya. Ang cute-cute. Hey guys, so sobrang late na namin lumabas. Like it's 2:30 in the afternoon. Talagang after namin mag-breakfast kanina, wala, nagpahinga pa lang din ulit. Tulog kasi wala, ang hirap eh, no? Ang sarap pa na, ayun, medyo sumama din mga pakiramdam namin. Onting sipon lang naman, but we're hanging on. Panahon eh medyo maulan-ulan na. Minsan umuulan, minsan na araw. So yan, nag-decide kami na ikarga muna si baby. At dinala pa rin namin yung stroller namin. Ginamit ko na lang ang aking jacket na pangharang kasi pag umulan nababasa talaga yung stroller. So now we're headed to Osaka. I don't know if you can see, pero medyo mabigat-bigat tong ulap na to. Mukhang malakas ang ibabagsak ng ulan. It's really gloomy now. So ay, hirap-hirap pa naman magbiyahe ng umuulan talaga. At may baby. So train ulit. Wala pa namang ulan, which is good. On time kami. So tara. Struggle dito. Buhat. Madam, maling hindi dyan ang daan. Magbuhat lang stroller sa... Actually may exit naman siguro, hindi lang namin hinanap eh. Pero yan, buhat. Yan, oops, nakikita ko na yung Tokyo. Ay, Tokyo. Osaka Castle dito. It's over there. Walang to. Over there. Pero yeah. It's about kilometer away mo. So, mahangin na. Oh! Wait. So ayan. Sira na yung bio cloud. Tignan mo lang. Ang hirap. Sobrang mahangin. Para siyang hugo. So hindi na lang kami nagpayong kasi grabe lakas ang hangin eh. Onting ambon na lang na enough naman yung damit namin to be protected. So Sundan na lang natin yung mga tao kasi I think everyone's going there anyway. Kain? Yeah, I want to eat ramen. Ramen Kuroda. We just saw NHK building. Wow. NHK isa sa malaking ano nila to. Malaking channel sa kanila. Wow, this is a nice place. We have Osaka Museum of History. Yeah, let's ayun na yung ano, ayun na yung Osaka Castle. Halika na. So, inabutan pa namin yung onting sakura. Medyo puti na siya. Oh, ganda. So, yung paligid niya is a huge park. Yeah, a lot of tourists. On a Tuesday. Today is a Tuesday, right? Yeah, today is Tuesday. Yeah. Dito. Kakalapas. Oh. So, we're about to get in. And medyo mas lumalakas yung ulan at mas lumalamig. So, attention, no drone zone. Okay. Kaya hindi ko dinala yung drone ko. May entrance fee. So, 1,200 yen for adult. Okay. Gotcha. Ang lakas na ng ulan. Ay! Sorry! Itakaran. Sige lang anak, walk. Just keep walking. So, keep walking. Nasa may entrance na tayo. Kaya pa? Adina knockdown. So, another sakura over here. To do when you have a baby, umuulan, or actually kahit may baby lang, we always have to stop and adjust based on the baby situation na itulog siya. So ayan, that's okay. That is crazy. Next minute, ayan na, paaraw na siya. Ah, that is good. Umuulan, tas biglang umaraw. Okay. Uy, tara na. No oras na. Siyempre, bilang Pinoy, pupunta ka sa castle. Ano yung itsura ng castle?
Ano yung itsura?
Mukhang Takesis ka. Takesis Castle daw. Ito. Hindi. So there, ayun yung castle. Doon na. Hindi lang namin alam kung saan bibili ng ticket. So, ayun oh, look, bigla nang lumabas yung araw. Thank God. Ay. Uy, tutulungan mo titakarin mo. Nag-vlog ako. Ang galing. Ang galing. So, one thing I want to say, when you're going inside, there's a lot of walking involved. Well, as usual, when you go here, you really have to be physically prepared to walk a lot. Pero maganda naman ang lalakaran mo. So we're nearing the entrance. Look, it's over there. So the castle is over there. Yan. Okay, so there's an entrance fee of 5,200 yen per person. But I don't think we will... I don't think na... Let's see if there's a way that we can get in na may kasamang stroller. We will get in. If not, then we'll just stay here. So, anak, mahirap dyan. Dito pa din. Dito pa rin ang daan. Well, I don't think kailangan namin pumasok. There are people going upstairs eh. It's nice to get a view of the whole city going up there, but it's kind of hard because may baby nga kaming kasama. But we will try to see if there's like an elevator inside the premise. Okay, so ito yung pagitan, paligid ni Osaka Castle. So talagang we just got a confirmation. No stroller inside castle. We can't get in. Adina is sleeping. We can't wake her up. So I guess that's it. We could just enjoy. Let's just enjoy the view from the outside. You're okay guys, right? Na hindi na tayo pumunta doon? Okay, so yeah. Umeda, next stop. Alright, let's go to... Okay, so we decided to go back to Namba. Alam mo, 3 araw na kami pabalik-balik doon. So, yun yung pinunta natin, yung palagi natin pinupuntahan. Kakain ulit kami doon sa may Dotonbori. Ikot-ikot. Kasi nung mga nakaraan umuulan kaya ang hirap explore ng lugar. Okay, so guys, just before we leave, I hope you can appreciate what I'm seeing right now. We're about to go out, but look at the scenery. It's like a water, parang water, yung castle kasi surrounded by water, and dyan nalalaglag ngayon yung mga dahon ng sakura. Grabe, maganda. The problem is ang daming tao. Sobrang daming tao.